Welcome back to Bilingual Beginnings. I'm Dr. AYISHAH Dennis, and I help parents teach their children Spanish even if they don't speak Spanish themselves. This week, I'm going to teach you 4 expressions that you can use with your children starting today. Be sure to stick around to the end to find out how you can continue the process beyond these 4 phrases. The first phrase that you can use with your child today is an expression that will allow you to give yourself some time before you make any decisions about what they're asking. So I like to use this expression with my children. Vamos a ver. Vamos a ver. Vamos a ver means we'll see about it. Now, before you make any decisions that you may not be 100% on board with, you may want to give yourself time to think about it. And so this is a great expression for you to use. Vamos a ver. And you need to let them know also what it means so that they understand. Expression number 2, respira. Respira. Breathe. If your child is between the ages of 2 and 5, they may suffer from temper tantrums, and sometimes they become overwhelmed. You may need to tell them to take a deep breath. So you would use the expression respira and allow them to calm down. Expression number 3, ay, qué chévere. This expression means how cool. Oh, that's cool. So maybe they've done something amazing or they're showing you something amazing and you want to use the expression that expresses some type of amusement or wonderment. You can say, ay, qué chévere, which is similar to saying, wow, that's cool. Expression number 4, ¿cómo te sientes? ¿Cómo te sientes? How do you feel? If you see that your child is upset and you want them to be able to learn how to express their emotions clearly, you may use this expression. ¿Cómo te sientes? How do you feel? This will allow them to practice using their expressions such as I'm angry, I'm disappointed, I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm surprised. And these are expressions that I'll be able to teach you at a later time. I hope to hear how you've been using these expressions this week. Be sure to let me know in the comments. So you may be wondering, how can you take the information that you're learning and teach your child? One of the things that I recommend when learning a language is having a coach. It's very important to have someone who's been in your shoes tell you their pitfalls and their success stories on how they were able to overcome a challenge. Learning Spanish can be a challenge if you don't know how to go about the process. Be sure to click the link below to book a free consultation in which you'll walk away with a Spanish language plan for your child. I look forward to speaking to you, and until next week, hasta la próxima semana. Adiós.